Inside this video, I will show you how you can make over $15 per YouTube comment. It's free and it's worldwide available, so stay tuned to learn more. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Before diving into the video, just a heads up guys, the NexGen logo will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. The first step to this is going to be, of course, creating a YouTube channel. So go over to youtube.com and create a YouTube channel. Now leave your channel open like this. Once you have your channel opened, go to Spreezy.com. Come over to Spreezy and then you can see that this is a tool that will make your video go viral without creating videos. This platform is simple and easy to use. They put your video in front of the right audience to ensure that your video will get big result, even the smallest budget. And what's pretty actually is that Spreezy is an advertising platform that has a number of ways to promote your video and your YouTube channel. So instead of you paying and doing YouTube and Google as yourself, this tool will do it for you and all the work for you. And they will do it way more professionally. They will drive organic traffic to your videos and promote your channel to real users. So it's not anything about thinking about fake engagement or anything of that nature. And once again, it's for free. To grow your channel fast, there are 3 simple steps. First is to identify the target audience. Second, this tool is going to grab the attention of the people through YouTube ads. They will promote your video on YouTube to users searching for your keyword and to the fans of similar channels. And of course, they will get views, subscribers, and real engagement. So it's not any scammy website where you can buy fake engagement or anything like that. So it's a really great tool. I know, especially for people that are selling something on these channels, they want to target a specific niche or they're promoting some affiliate products. So this tool can actually make them a lot of money and it's not expensive at all. Now, what exactly are we going to be doing with this tool? Well, you want to go all the way down to the bottom of the website. And if you want to click on affiliate program, that's going to take you to the next page where you can sign up as an affiliate by entering your first name, your last name, your email address, create a password, and click on I'm not a robot and just agree to the terms of service, which you can read by clicking on the link over here and just click on sign up. And like less than 24 hours, they will accept your request. Now, once you have signed up to the affiliate program, you'll be able to receive this email and you will be able to grab your link right here. So you can copy this affiliate link. So whenever someone uses your affiliate link and they buy complaints from Spreezy, you're gonna make 20% off of that, which is great. Now you want to go back to youtube.com and what you will do is search for different tips and tricks on how you can grow your YouTube channel. So you can maybe search for how to grow on YouTube, or how to get views on YouTube, or how to get subscribers on YouTube, or how to grow quickly. And all of those keywords you can use to potentially make money. You can go through all of these. You can open literally any YouTube video from these. Maybe I like this YouTube channel, so you can pause it and scroll down to the comment section. You want to click on sort by and you want to click on newest first because we are interested only in the comments that are fresh. So people that want to grow their YouTube channels and comments that are fresh, they want to grow them now. So we're not interested in comments that were like a few months or even years ago. We are only interested in the comments that were left like 24 hours ago or maybe up to 48 hours ago. And then you can see small YouTuber here. Let's help each other. I'm fast. So inside those videos that are targeted with keywords, how to grow on YouTube or how to get views on YouTube and stuff like that, they're actually targeting people who want to grow their YouTube channels, to which you can promote Spreezy.com to make a lot of money. And I also have a proven to work, a highly converted career name script for you to send them, so you can use it for absolutely free. And I'm gonna give it out to you for absolutely free as a bonus for you for staying all the way to the end of the video. Once you find a comment on YouTube like this, you want to click on their YouTube channel and you will find their contact information. Most of them, like 90% of them, will either have it in the About section. They will have their email address if they have none. They'll probably have some social media accounts linked over there. If not, just open up any of their YouTube videos, and if they don't have anything in the description where you can contact them, you'll just leave a simple comment and tell them that you like their YouTube channel and stuff like that. And you can also help them grow with it really quickly. And so they can give you their email address, and once they give you that, you'll just send them the proven to work script. But this is not a suitable channel for us, so I want to show you a sample on how you can do it. So for example, I'll open this video, how to get views on YouTube. Let us scroll down a bit and I will sort newest first, and I will try to find some. So how to get views 8 hours ago. All of these comments are our potential customers, and we can actually make well over $10 per each of those comments. So maybe like if this guy is trying to grow his YouTube channel, you will click on that. Once again, you'll try to find their contact information. If you can find their email or social media account, you will just have to send them this proven to work script, and that is going to be the script here. So you will say, "Dear," leave their name, "My name is," and tell your name, "and I've been working as a social media consultant for the past years." Here, you can do like 5 years, 3 years, 4 years, whatever you want. I noticed your brand and I saw that you have a good standing on YouTube channel. Although your videos are highly entertaining, you're not getting as many results as you should be. Due to that fact, I have a simple tool for you that can boost your channel to the moon by helping you reach real potential viewers that will fully engage with your channel at a very low price. Gain real like, real views, and real subscribers. Not only that, this tool can even help you go viral and much more. You can talk about the tool, read the benefits from the tool, and read all the features from the official website Spreezy.com. Just go through it and just type in the script. And I do recommend you change a little bit so it doesn't seem like a spam. If many other people are using the same script, so definitely use some of your own words and change a little bit. And then at the end, you can include a disclaimer, which is optional. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.